What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be comparing the movie Twister to actual real-life tornadoes. So I kind of want to hit up on a few scenes that actually play behind me. I want to talk about the scene where the Jeep is drove into a bridge, the two main characters get out and hide underneath it. Now I feel like in an actual tornado that not only would the Jeep be picked up, but the bridge would be destroyed, or there would be more damage. Now the bridge is in a low-lying area, so I can kind of see that the debris just kind of spins above them. But I also feel like I said earlier, that the bridge would be destroyed and or a little bit more stuff. Now the other kind of main topic that I'd like to talk about is the fact that they drove through a house in the scene. I don't know if you guys know which one I'm talking about. So if the house is being lifted and thrown around by the wind, wouldn't there also be enough wind to rip the truck off the ground? The house is a lot heavier than the truck. I just feel like if the house is going to go, then the truck's got to go, even if it isn't. They also drive way too close to the tornadoes in multiple scenarios, and even in real life, when the storm chasers do that, they actually injure their thing, their truck down, and it's built specifically for them. Now the average truck probably does weigh about a ton or a half a ton, but 1,000 pounds is nothing compared to an actual 2 So those are just kind of the main things I want to hit up on when we talk about actual tornadoes.
What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be telling you 5 facts about tornadoes in Minnesota. The only months in which a tornado has not touched down in Minnesota was December, January, and February. The deadliest tornado in Minnesota in history was on April 14th, 1886, which hit the St. South Island area, killing 72 people. It also hit a wedding, and they killed 11 members of the wedding, including the groom. The most expensive tornado in Minnesota occurred May 6, 1965, with a family tornado, a lot of tornadoes hit the Twin Cities, causing $50 million in damage, with inflation obviously. The largest tornado outbreak that ever happened in one day in Minnesota was on June 17, 2010, and there was 48 tornadoes that day, hitting the town of Wadena, flying debris everywhere. It leveled the town, and many other. And also, that month also put the record for the most tornadoes ever. 71 tornadoes in 1 month. In the long run, from 1950 to 2012, the state has had 1,721 tornadoes, causing 99 deaths and 1,981 injuries, according to the DNR.
Alright, so in that video, you watched the guy get to the basement, because that's the safest place to be during a tornado. If you are in a car traveling, your best bet is to stop and get to a low-lying area like a ditch. Just in general, get to any cover you can find to avoid debris. And then if you are traveling, get to the nearest safe location. Try and look for areas without power poles, without trees around it that will fall on the building. And once you are in the building, if there's not a basement, get away from as much glass and debris as possible. Thanks everybody, I appreciate you watching this video. Have a nice day.